Hey guys, Nick with Premier Ponds here. Today we're at one of the busiest Chick-Fil-A's at this little Pondless Waterfall that's been having issues for years. He's just been having headaches. It's not running right, pumps undersized, he's got algae, and he just can't find the right contractor to come take care of it. So he reached out to us at Premier and said, guys, I need you to make all my pain go away. So today we're gonna finally make things right. We're gonna give him the most beautiful waterfall in this drive-thru possible. With nice lighting, new ionizer, new pump. It's gonna be amazing. So stay tuned.
We're doing our final cleanup, mulching, just finishing touches on this awesome waterfall here at Chick-Fil-A, one of our favorite places to eat when we're out slinging boulders and building lifestyles. What we've done today is create paradise that everybody coming in to get chicken is going to have something cool to see, and we're just pretty happy to have put a feature like this at a landmark location right close to Burtonsville. Call Premier Ponds today if you want something like this in your yard. No beef about it.